In today's video, I'll show you how to add a speaker in Descript so your transcripts stay organized and easy to edit. Start by opening your project in Descript. Make sure your audio or video has already been transcribed. Speaker labels only work once the transcript is available. So if your file is not transcribed yet, upload it and let Descript generate the text first. Once the transcript appears, scroll through the script and find the exact point where a new speaker begins talking. Place your cursor at the start of that sentence or word. Now, type the @ symbol. This will open the speaker menu. From here, you can choose an existing speaker name if it has already been added, or you can type a new speaker name to create one. When adding a new speaker, use clear and consistent names such as a person's name or roles like host or guest. This helps keep your project clean and makes editing much easier later. After selecting or creating the speaker, Descript will label that section of the transcript automatically. You can repeat this process anywhere the speaker changes. Once all speakers are labeled, editing becomes much faster and more accurate, especially for podcasts, interviews, or multi-speaker videos. That's it. You've successfully added speaker labels in Descript and improved the clarity and workflow of your project. Thanks for watching and happy editing.